Hi Kevin, I've just stopped off. I'm on a motorbike ride today. I'm in the camper heading for Barcelona, so I thought I'd spend 5 minutes now catching up on a few emails while everything's charging. I've just had an email from you to state that your Hotpoint Tumble Dryer, model number NTM1081WKUK Tumble Dryer, you've got the start and stop button, it keeps flashing. You may have a problem with the door interlock system and the door is not engaging correctly. This would also create that type of flashing, or you may have an error on the machine. Now, Hotpoint heat pump tumble dryers are quite complicated, but one of the most common faults on these machines is people do not maintain them. And the condenser and the evaporator matrix in the bottom left-hand side of the machine gets clogged with fluff. This then gives false readings with the NTC sensors and other things. Also, these heat pump tumble dryers are prone to losing gas or having a problem. I haven't got any workshop manuals for you on this machine at the moment, I'm sorry. Hotpoint is very poor at providing the data to help people out. But what I have done for you is I've put some additional information on the page with regards different videos that I've done on maintenance on tumble dryers and also fault finding on tumble dryers. But I have managed to obtain you a exploded view of the machine with all the different components in the machine, and there's a link on the page that will take you through to any part that you need. So once you've checked the door lock, also give it a service while you're there. If you have found the fault, do go down to the evaporator and condenser that you can see in the diagram, and that is number 1 in the diagram, and really thoroughly clean it. Fluff in condenser heat pump tumble dryers is the killer. Fluff gets down there, clogs up everything, and then sensors get false readings and the machine just does not dry efficiently when these blooming evaporators and everything actually clog up. And they are also prone to losing gas on these tumble dryers. I've had a lot of customers who have said that the machines have lost gas. In other words, it's just not economical to repair. So let's hope it is the door lock. The other thing to check as well is the pump system. The pump at the bottom of the machine transfers the water to the collection tray. There's a sensor in there that detects if there's any water. Some of the systems have a float system. If this is full and it hasn't transferred the water to the top of the machine, this would also cause that type of error. Anyway, I've put a link in the description below for you to the web page where you've got associated videos to help you and also exploded diagrams of the dryer. I'm sorry I can't be much more assistance. As I said, I'm not in the workshop at the moment. I'm in the middle of a, what would you call it, a busman's holiday. I'm traveling down to Barcelona this week to visit a company in Barcelona who manufactures selector switches for cookers, and then I'm going down further south over the course of the next few months. So I'm working remotely at the moment. I'm actually out filming today with the motorbike because I've got the camper on the back of the motorbike. Sorry, I've got the bike on the back of the camper, and when I get to these locations I'm able to go exploring and have a day out on the motorbike. So I'm just waiting for my cameras to get charged and everything at the moment. Anyway, I'm in a stunning location. I think I better let you have a look at this. Absolutely stunning. And that's the road that I'm going to be going down in about half hour or so once my batteries are fully charged. Anyway, good luck with your repair. If you do need further help, come back to us with a lot more information. It was a little bit vague, but I hope this article helps you that we've created for you, and I hope you manage to get your machine working again. Thanks very much for contacting us.